What's the meaning of all-rounder? All-rounder. 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 All-rounder.
An all-rounder is a person who excels in multiple skills or areas of expertise. They are versatile and adaptable, capable of performing well in various situations. In the context of sports, an all-rounder is a player who can both bat and bowl effectively. In the workplace, an all-rounder is someone who can handle a variety of tasks and responsibilities. In general, an all-rounder is highly valued for their versatility and ability to contribute in multiple ways.